My beautiful and amazing people, where una dey? Make una come out o, make una come hear update. Omo, everywhere don scatter, scatter. Everywhere don get as e be for e pass house because of wetin? Because of im decision towards our popular Nollywood actress Chika Ike and im Moroccan wife. No be small thing o, Moroccan wife don jump out o, say enough is enough based on say dem don come do aproko for her say Ipa don dey do the unimaginable. Una remember the last time wey the senators wives dem carry theirself put together go report Ipa over the transfer of ownership of Reji saying that she is no longer his wife. He carry account wey dem dey take send allowances to her, transfer am to another person, make another person dey collect the money. Whereas they say their law, rules and regulation, it is not like that. You must bring una divorce paper, bring una go come visibly, come let them know the reasons why una say una no dey do again. Then before they will now give you some time for you to now bring the new person wey you wan take come replace the other person. That is how they do their thing. But because Ipa dey influential, e know im way, e always get away with so many things. E just boycott, go meet the person wey dey under finance. Just boycott am, carry the popular actress put for inside. The actress come dey collect money, dey chop. E no show, e no come meeting, e no do anything. Even though their meeting na twice in a year, they never do any meeting. But still, at least you go identify yourself before you go even dey chop their money. Nothing. E just busy dey chop. So when they finally report the issue, they carry the matter for head like gala. They come deactivate her account, put her account under suspect. Say they do investigation on top of the account, block the one wey she dey take collect more main money, and the one wey they take attach, take do replacement of Reji. So she was very mad at Ipa because according to her, say she was not aware that Ipa only told her that he's going to put her account and she will be receiving allowance. He no tell her which allowance, whether he use her replace anybody. That she now wetin she no want be that for her life. Anything replacement, anything competition. Now make she no want polygamy, she want monogamy. Jejeje, one man, one wife. Say now make she be no even enter. Even when the mama Reji snatch the man for her hand, she already talk and say, after all, she no want marry am. So she no need to fight put on top of him matter. So all our thoughts now be say as they don't deactivate the account, they don't do this, do that. Him go back to a Moroccan wife. Go use her, they collect the money. After all, she is good enough. She has been there for him. She stand for him when everyone else left. She defended him for this Obasanjo media space. So nothing for bad if in user replace the Reji and she is his wife, she is in his house. She has been there. So waiting go stop her, make you no put her name. Naimo, they say no be small thing o. Ipa now, instead wey we say e go carry their wedding certificate, wey e take marry the other wife, carry and give them. Even though Reji go hard to come face to face with Ipa, make them do their boarding wey they talk say they won't do to really know wetin transpired with their divorce later. To know wetin transpire, even though we know say that one go hard, they go need to bring divorce later now. So na him o, Leila come dey talk and say, thank God, say they are going to use her as the first lady since Reji no dey in the picture again. Only for Ipa to come now talk say she is not the first lady, that she should even forget about being a first lady, that she don't understand their English. If she get there, how is she going to cope? This one, that one. Now she come talk say how she dey take cope before now. Shebi she is married to him how many years now? How she dey take cope? Is she not coping? And she also have a business where in do business, M&S, he do in business, carry her put for there as the manager. and she's coping, she's interacting with people, customers and all. So how come that one now wey be say na only women, no be say dey get anything, if they no call your name say make you stand up talk, e no go be big deal. And even if they call her to talk, she dey speak the English small small, no be say na Arabic all through na im she dey speak the English. Na just to write na im be small drama, and she don even get person wey dey write for her because of recent. If you check her media handle, the way they dey take write for her now, you go know say she don employ person wey dey in charge of her media, wey dey help her dey do write up, dey do publicity and all. So what is now the problem? Na im dey say somebody from insider carry himself come do gossip for where the Moroccan wife dey, telling her that Ipa wan use this said celebrity, use her replace her, and that Ipa don go for go carry wedding certificate of him. And you know say wedding certificate, if you get your money, you fit still get am in a way, because Nigeria na another place entirely. With your money, nothing is impossible. Say e don bring wedding certificate of another person, come say na im wan take replace. And now that particular document and divorce paper wey im carry come now, e dey under check. After they don check am finish, before they go finally conclude, na im dey say the Moroccan wife start dey provocate o, say enough is enough, what is all this, what has she done wrong? But if you check am well, check am go check am come, you go agree with me that true true that woman don try. This same woman na im come out come drag Reji saying that Reji dey do woman, Reji dey take ukpemele, na she even introduce her to am, na God save her for where Reji dey, na her husband na im save her, this that. Say if not, wetin her eye for see, even her mouth no go fit explain. Like she was saying lot of things in defense of Ipa that time. I no know whether una still remember. So this same woman now, at least if you allow her, if you talk say the allowance wey you dey give her, e don do, she no need that one. But at least sometimes it's not even about the money. You allow her too to explore, you allow her too to mingle, you allow her too to get that title as others too dey get. Nothing is bad there. No be say according to her, he say he don already use her do international wakama, any of his international movement, that she dey in charge. Anything that has to do with foreign, na she dey in charge. Say wetin come concern her with local, say this ones na local. Na even if na local, why not give her the opportunity, the leverage to at least show herself small? Now when she fail you, now you go come talk say she don fail. Now you agree to carry outsider, even though they be dey talk am before, according to online in-laws, and even them themselves they confirm am when media space scatter on top of say Chika Ike bin born that time, wey people come dey shout say na Ipa o, na Ipa o, na Ipa o. She practically came out and said that she no be Ipa o, nothing concern her with Ipa matter o. Ipa too come out talk say nothing concern am o, say she no be veve, and him na veve na him dey go for. So meaning the both of them, they no dey, no know the pikin wey people dey talk about. But na Reji come make am look like the both of them, they might be lying, that e be like say they don come back or something is fishy for her to have deactivated her account that time. People come dey say if na dey talk true, how come Reji come deactivate her account? After some time she come return back, come move on, come remove all im picture. Na where the drama start be that o. Na their drama na when e bin start be that, when she remove all the picture, come comot her ring join am. When she dey return back, na where drama start for the Obasanjo media space. People now come dey ask say, so you prefer person wey dey outside, wey tell you practically that she cannot and will never want to marry somebody wey get wife, she prefer to dey outside. So you prefer am pass person wey dey inside with you, wey be say during your downtime she is there. No, now Ipa, this one you too do. Anything wey this Moroccan wife talk, she deserve, as in she deserve the best. Anything wey she talk, na she dey right. So like this, so she say enough is enough. Na im dey say the Moroccan wife don carry phone say she go call the said actress, say make she leave her husband alone. That when they are going through a lot, the actress no dey there o. Now when e reach time for enjoyment, na im the actress dey carry herself come chook for inside matter. Now people come dey talk say she went too far. Na her husband she suppose direct everything to, not the said actress, because the actress dey her thing, na Ipa dey go find her. The actress don give her condition, rules and regulation, na Ipa still dey obey the rules and regulation, dey do wetin the actress talk. So na her husband she suppose direct, na him she suppose drag, not the other way around. So guys, now what are your take? What do you think? Do you think Leila too, true, she no suppose even go call that one for any reason? If she dey para her para, make she para for Ipa instead? Or what do you think? Or na the best decision ever? Make that one too know say she no be tire wey dey for back. Na front she too she dey, she no dey carry last. Drop your opinion on the comment section. Give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.